most wonderful thing in the world is the nature. Insects and birds are very interesting subjects to learn and do experiments. The kingfisher is a very calm and impressive tolerable bird until getting its prey among other birds. Now it is waiting for the meal. The centropus is normally living together with human in domestic area. It slowly walking here and there to find out worms for meal. The wood ants and black ants are going in line with solidarity. The dragonfly is an flying insect with 4 wings. The wings are always being moved. The spider is spinning and weaving the cobweb for living and hunting its prey. This insect is originated from a caterpillar species. It has a stick-like organ called mandible. It is used for hunting. This small beetle is very diligent one in world of insects. This energetic nature is to collect its food. As a humankind, it's our responsibility to ensure the well-being of these wonderful friends of nature that gifted awesome and healthy environment for us.